Remember that learning English is an investment in your future. It opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to communicate with people from all over the world, unclocking new job opportunities, and even enabling you to travel and explore new cultures. Don't be discouraged by the challenges of learning a new language. Learning English is a journey, not a destination. Every new word, phrase, and grammar rule you learn is a step forward towards achieving fluency. So keep pushing yourself and never give up. One of the best ways to improve your English is to immerse yourself in the language. Listen to English music, watch English movies and TV shows, and read English books and newspapers. Use every opportunity you can to practice your English, whether it's ordering food at a restaurant, chatting with a friend, or participating in an online forum. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Don't be afraid to speak up and practice your English, even if you're not 100% confident. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Stay motivated and keep your goals in mind. Whether it's to get a better job, study abroad, or simply improve your communication skills, remember why you started learning English in the first place. Keep your eyes on the prize and never lose sight of your dreams. Learning English is a journey that requires dedication and perseverance. But with hard work, determination, and positive attitude, you can achieve your goals and master this amazing language. So keep on learning and never give up. وليد خالد